Hello everyone. In order to start working with JavaScript, there are certain software needed to be installed on your computer. So first, a code editor is required, and in this course, I will be using Visual Studio Code that you can download from code.visualstudio.com. So let's download it. So here I am in the browser, Visual Studio Code. And here is the website code.visualstudio.com. I will go to the download section. Here we can see it is available for three operating systems. One is Windows, then Linux, and then Mac. As I am working on Windows, I will select the Windows. It will download me a executable file, and now once this file is downloaded, double click on the file, accept the agreement, next. This is the path at which Visual Studio Code will be installed. Create a desktop icon. Make sure you have checked in this checkbox Add to Path. Next, install. This will install Visual Studio Code on your computer. Okay, so let's try to launch it. So here I can see my Visual Studio Code. This is where we will write our most of the code. Let me close it. As now we have installed Visual Studio Code successfully in our computer, our second requirement is to install npm node package manager, and to get npm installed we need to install node.js. So let's go to the web browser and install node.js. Web browser, and I will write node.js. Go to the download. So here I can see different operating system, Windows, Mac. So I will click on Windows and it's going to download me a executable. I will double click on this. Yeah. So once I double click on it, it's giving me welcome to Node.js setup. Then next. So I have already installed this on my computer. That's why it is giving me the options of change, repair, and remove. But in your case, you can choose the default options and proceed further. So for now, I will change and do next, change, and it will basically update the latest version for me and then finish. So now I have installed Node.js in my computer. So as I have successfully installed uh, Node.js on my machine, I need to verify it. To verify it, you need to open command prompt, and in the command prompt you have to run npm my dash v, that is dash version. So it will give you the version of the npm installed on your computer. So here I can see I have 9.1.2. So that means Node.js is successfully installed on my computer. So by this we have successfully installed all the required development software in our computer, and we are ready to start with JavaScript development. So thank you. Let's meet in next lecture. Thank you.